Hey YouTube, today is Friday, 22nd day of October 2021, about 9:56 or so in the morning. And if you want to, you can sit there and pause this and read all of this. This is about this little lighthouse right here. A better sign for you to read from, which you might be able to see better, I don't know, is right there. If you pause all that and read that, you will learn. This here is the second. Look at this little tiny building here. Here's a replica of this lighthouse right here. And right up here is the real thing. It is made of brick, if you read that sign. So there's just a little sign right here for this little place. But anyhow, this is the lighthouse. It goes up there. I don't know how tall that thing is, but I don't know. I guess I'd probably guess 35 or 40 feet. But it's made of brick, and they're in the middle of restoring it. Here's what it sort of looks like around it here. You can see they've got the directions. There's south, up there southeast, and then east, and so on. But anyway, here's the doorway. See tour guide before entering. So, looking back up at it, you can see it. And again, some more of this work here. And they got these palmettos here. And a pretty busy Highway 90 right out there. But just to show you this kind of around as best I can. So you can see that. So that's pointing north, you can see right there. Anyway, we're going to head over through there and show you something that we think might be pretty magnificent over there. So let's go there and take us a look. Alright, so straight over there in the middle of your screen is that same lighthouse. We've come across this road. There is a way to walk around this big sidewalk. You come under the highway and get around here. What we came over to see is right here. This magnificent tree. Now, let me show you this thing. That's limbs laying on the ground from it, okay? They're still attached, of course. And look at all this. All that's the same tree. Let's go walk amongst it and around it and get some prettiness from it here. You see all these limbs. And them wrapped with lights. Down here it looks like. Now look at this, as I'm standing right in here. Pretty cool. There's the main tree right there. How you like all that? Look how big these limbs are, man. I mean, the limbs alone could make separate trees, you know. Here, as I walk closer to the base, I'll turn around now and show you. Look at this. Those limbs go out there. 3 separate sections. That's 2. And right there's a 3rd. And look at that limb right there hanging all by itself. Making a backwards L from the way I'm looking at it. Pretty cool. See these up here? These are all a part of it. I know that sun. Let's see. Let me get that sun. There. Pretty magnificent. Now as I come to this side, just look at it from back here again. And you got to admit, this is a very, very nice tree. I like it, in case you can't tell. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed that. We'll keep going, seeing what else we can find around here.